Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to give you a new status update on what's new in Notion to Anki. So you probably already saw it from a previous YouTube video, but if you haven't, there's a new option here to preserve new lines in the toggle header and body. So this will enable you to have multiple lines, and that's very useful if you have, for example, paragraphs and a list of some kind. So there will be a link in the description for a video where you can see how to use it. But it's very self-explanatory. When you use Shift-Enter, you get new lines, right? So another thing we did is for close deletions, right? In Anki, you can have the capital of Albania is Tirana. Like, this is the Anki syntax for it. And then if we make it a code block, you can see it's open bracket, C1, colon, Albania, and then close. Right, the keyword is there, and then you could also add a hint here. But sometimes you forget to do that, so now you don't have to do that. So if you wanted to, you could just write it out like this. So this option is now supported. There is some ambiguity, but please note that when you're using context, the math stuff, if you're a math student, please make sure to use the braces. So this is just for people who are not using context, none of the math equations and so on. There's just too much ambiguity. We can't figure out that currently. We might resolve that in the future. And there's also some bugs that have been fixed. Unfortunately, it turned out that at least some options were being overridden. The toggle mode, I think, and when you pick the only Notion style. So that should be resolved now. Thanks a lot to there was somebody who reported that over email. Thanks. These card options now should take effect instantly. So there's been several bugs related to that. Again, thanks a lot to everybody who's been patient and reporting the issues. I've tried to fix them, and they should now all be resolved. But please do note that when you make a change here, for example, my amazing deck name, this is going to be remembered, right? Your option is going to be preserved even though you refresh. So in order to clear everything, you just go to the bottom and then you click this clear button. Another thing I think we added was also all the options here now have a paragraph. All of the options have a paragraph describing them. So I hope this is going to be more useful, because I know some people are looking at this and wondering, okay, what does use all toggle list mean? What does use plain text mean? So let me know if these descriptions work for you. Maybe they're confusing. I still think we're going to clean up this settings page. It's still very messy. So if you have any suggestions on how it should look, maybe you know about another website you like using that has a clean settings page, we could also look at Notion and take some inspiration from there. That's coming. And I have some research topics. I don't want to go into them here. I've written a little bit about them on the Patreon, so it kind of sucks to talk about stuff which is not finished, because then I might change my mind and so on. But I've gotten some feedback from patrons and also from people in the Discord. So if you're not on the Discord, make sure to join and give feedback and suggestions on improvements. And yeah, there are some things we're going to tackle, I hope, in the near future to make the experience using Anki and Notion together much more awesome. Yeah, some workflows that are going to be really amazing. So yeah, let's not get ahead of ourselves and talk too much about the future. If there's anything you want to tell me, please comment below, and also make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.